Is having a good day so far, a good start to the week. Had a good Thanksgiving. Those of you guys that were on with the morning stream, those Shopify's ended up paying very, very well. We were talking about that the entire pre-market. With the data slate that we have coming up this week too, we are most likely going to see a pretty crazy week. And as you can see here, SPY is really respecting the levels that we have drawn out here. So I think you guys can see it pretty well here. Let me zoom in a little. See that little level right here? This 397.75, that was kind of what we were calling out in the pre-market here, that if we were going to see some bearish action today, some overall selling, that's where we could probably head down to. Now we've got there. Now we have to see if the bulls are going to step up and defend this, which they are right now, or if the sellers are going to step up on bullard statements and just be like, fuck it, scorched earth, we're sending this thing back down. But in general, this 390 to 400 range is just scalp city. That's all you're looking at here. You're looking to take your quick gains, unless you're fucking Tabasco Dave, who listens to the Shopify call, or the call out, not the call, the puts on it, and then just decides to have a little bit of fun with SPY puts and has a 63% day. You can always do that too. But again, guys, since this is a public stream, if you guys wouldn't mind smashing the like button on the stream over here, let's see what we get. We do have Bullard and who else? Williams. Yeah, Williams is speaking at the Economic Club of New York right now. But let's see what we're going to get across the board here, team. This is a pretty interesting day. We do have a really crazy data slate going into the rest of the week. And I mean, we did see Friday act super, super, super choppy overall. And now we're seeing a little bit of volatility pick back up. If you guys were on the Instagram with me, you guys saw the gains that I was making. Wait a minute. My monthly membership is $69. Can you save $20? Billy Bats. So, guys, yeah. So here's the deal. This is the last week for you guys to come into our community and then get access to the $49 special discount code that we're going to give to all of our members when we go live with platform. So Billy Bats, if you're already in there, you are completely good to go. For all of you guys that are considering getting in, if you do come in at 96, when we do release the platform, this is the last week that we're offering this. You will have a price decrease all the way down to 49. So that link there to secure that, to make sure that you have a spot for that code, is in the top of the live chat. But again, we are seeing a little bit of a bounce off this level here, which again, it is to be expected. We saw a really nasty red candle on the SPY there. Let's see. All right, let's see. You think this is a fake out breakout? Like a bounce off here? I mean, we're coming back up to pretty much neutral from where we were before that drop. Thanks, man. No problem, Billy. Yeah, so for all of you guys in there, yeah, you guys are all going to get that access to the $49 deal. And then for everybody else that comes in later, it's not going to be 49. It's going to be higher than that. So let's see here. We do have QQQ up here. We don't really need this. Let's see how Tesla's doing and then take a look at Shopify. Dude, I mean, I was scalping Tesla up here this morning. I had a stop order in profit that I should have just probably kept a little bit lower because this thing ended up going crazy. But again, let's take a look at Shop. I mean, we were looking at this thing this morning on the run up here with the cyber sales and how they did with Black Friday, it was just overextended. So they ended up giving back about little over half of their gains from 40.15. Ride this move all the way down to the 200. Perfect reversal there that we were going over. So that one was dirty too. You have a buddy interested in joining. Can you wait until the first so he doesn't get charged twice? He's not going to get charged twice. So Chainly, the way that ours is set up is you're not going to get charged twice. So we have a special deal with Patreon where our billing cycles are different. But he won't get charged twice if he comes in now. And everybody so we were going over this last night. If you do end up coming in right now and getting access to and trying to lock in your spot at 49, you're not going to get charged twice. Okay, thanks. I'll let him know. Chainly, awesome, buddy. Hope to see him in there soon. But let's see what we're getting on SPY here. 398. All right, let's see what we got here. And again, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps it a whole lot with the algos over here. Ooh, you guys are doing all right. But yeah, we are seeing the volatility pick back up. The 10-year, honestly, not moving all that much with these crazy moves. We did see a break of previous day high on the 10-year treasury yields. And the dollar's just been running since this morning when we saw that nonsense around the 200 EMA. So let's see. Yeah, SPY's pretty neutral here. So again, this is what I would consider no man's land right now. If you caught that move down and you were in on this Invictus play through the entire move down, you've slaughtered it here. Made 70% on 398 puts. There you go, buddy. 1 hour cross says SPY's going down eventually. Yeah. Yeah, 398 puts. I had 399s for Friday, so I was scalping them. But that's a solid trade there, buddy. That is a solid trade. Fed could lower rates in 2024. You know what that is? TLT. SV 1.5% of the port today on that shot play, done for the day. Did that in and out in 20 minutes this morning, sticking with small gains to work your way back. There you go, Ryan. Yeah, I mean, that Shopify play was just screaming at me in the pre-market. Like, dude, this, like, you cannot have these stocks go up this much off like mediocre news. It's still up 3.5%. But when you think about like having an edge in the market in probabilities, an edge is just the probability of one thing happening over another being higher. So is it is it more probable that this thing is just going to go on a moon mission in this marketplace after the Apple news and SPY looks like it wants to come down, or see a reversal move? Odds are it's going to see that reversal move, which is what we were looking at on the private stream this morning. So congratulations, all you guys that slaughtered that trade. This is I'm bleeding. Does anyone know if there's a live stream for this Fed speech? There might be, but I mean, it's not really worth watching it. 77% gain on the SPY move too. Yeah, man. I mean, Invictus is nuts. I mean, if you play dailies on it, good for you, but I didn't. This is not really what I wanted. So Invictus was really starting to signal right down in here. And then you catch this really nice move down. So if you're using the stop loss strategy, you are good to go, dude. Invictus is right now, as of today, 3 for 4 today, 75%. Still really good. So all of the ones that came out first, Apple, QQQ, and SPY, were all nice. All solid trades there. You caught that nasty candle because you happen to be watching the 1 minute sweet play. Nice, dude. Yeah, I mean, the other thing too is that if you're using the stop loss take profit order, I mean, you're good to go, because if you see those types of candles, it'll sell you out most likely at where your take profit is. But again, SPY's, it's coming back to around neutral here in terms of where it was before that giant drop. So I don't think really we're going to get that cascade down below 397.50 today. Depending on what the data comes out as tomorrow, which isn't all that crazy, consumer confidence, home price index, yeah, we could see some movement off that. But Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are going to be fucking nuts. Apple on the 4 hour, it looks good. Move the stop paid today. There you go, Tabasco Dave. I know it did. 60% on the day. 60, like, that's nuts. On your account, that's ridiculous. But Christopher, here's the deal with any swings right now. There's two ways to do it. One, you either have to size them so that if they go to zero, it's essentially the dollar amount of a normal 1348 trade that the stop would be, if that makes sense. You're essentially trading with the stop. So you're sizing way down. Or you go full size, but you get a shitload of time. Ung beat you up, took you 2 hours to get 2%, wasted your whole day. Yeah, natural gas is an interesting one. What's it at now? Down 1.4. Yeah, so that ended up coming back up, but hold on. Yeah, that one ended up being okay. Let's see. SPY moving back down a little bit. Hopefully it can touch 408 before the fall back down. On the SPY, it might, but here's the thing. Everybody's looking to short it between 408 and 410. What were we saying on Friday? I don't think they're going to let it get all the way there. Why would they if everybody... Hold on. If everybody's looking to short it between, like, it's not really 408. It's like 405 to 410, and they have the ability to just send it down below before it gets there, I would do that if I was... Leave me alone. Stop calling me. We were going over this morning. All these fuckers asking me about Medicare rewards. Fuck off. I don't care. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, we got a lot of slackers on the like button now. Uh-oh, team. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened, everybody? Let's see. What are we? 12 away from 50? We can get there. Ooh, the algo's doing good today. There we go. Yeah. I mean, this Tessie move too, we were watching on the way down. This is really the one that I wanted, the move down to the 13. There was a lot of Tesla moves today that I wanted. I just never got. If it slips down below this basically 180, what is this? 186.50, right around there. Yeah, you might see it cascade, but let's see. Since you won't do the car giveaway, all right, Arvind. Let's see. How do you have your MACD set up? Mine is always looking different on the same timeline. So we changed the settings of it. It's now 2452.18. It smooths it out a lot more and gives you more of an indication of a true rejection or basically change in trend when you're watching the histogram. So the settings are 2452.18. Yep. But those are good. I like those MACD settings. Those are sweet. Chris, no problem, buddy. All right, there goes SPY with a little bit of movement. I'm also like, since I've already locked in my gains for the day, I'm probably not touching anything else. I still have a lot of settled cash left, but there's not really any reason for me to put more money at risk. So we've talked about this a lot. It's like, okay, we can still go call out nasty plays like the shop one this morning, this Tesla rejection down. There was a lot of them that I didn't take just because I was already looking at something else. Like I scalped Apple on this move down, which was nice. Was screwing around with Nvidia a little bit. Those were pretty sweet. I had these SPY puts on the way down, which were good. But again, I mean, you don't have to take every single trade. If you've already locked in your gains for the day, again, method, mindset, money management. You're in a paper trade on Tesla, started scaling in at the 1 minute 13, and now we're at the 5 minute 13. How could I have played that differently? Ooh. I mean, you're trying to catch a rim, I think. So what you're essentially looking for is that's where your risk is. A closing candle down below that 5 minute 13 is probably where the risk is there. You're like, okay, well, if it falls down below, I'm not taking it. Or you're ditching it. You like the new settings, doesn't fake you out as much? Yeah, dude, the new MACD settings are sweet. Disney hiring freeze will stay in place, CEO Iger tells employees. Let's see. That's what you tried to do? Yeah, Disney news. I just saw it come through. I'm watching it right now. It's already made its move though. See, this is the thing. A lot of these things already made their move. Like this cross down is nasty. 98 to 96. Dude, take that all day long. That's sexy right there. Look at that. 1348 for the fucking win. And then you have Invictus coming in here with a 75% success rate, just murdering the market, dude. Nasty. I know. I love seeing you guys fucking print. It's fun. The gains channel is always lit up like crazy. Nice, guys. Nice. All right. Let's see what we're getting here. This is actually so I was looking at Nancy this morning. I wanted this rejection back down. Didn't take it. I took it over here. Yeah, around here and played it down. You think if Dixie crosses above the 200 on the 30-minute, SPY could fall again? Where is that, though? The dollar's up. It's got some room if it wants to. Yeah, if it closes above. How's the dollar looking on the daily? Because we were talking about this, too. Okay, so here's what we're looking at on the dollar. We've seen this. We were calling out this move, probably coming down to the 200 and bouncing. We saw it rim the 13 on the daily, now back down towards the 200. So here's the problem with the dollar here. Until it can break above this 13 EMA on the daily, which is currently sitting at 107.11, essentially, you're probably going to see overall uptrend. I mean, you're seeing the dollar just chop its way down. If this thing can break down below here, you might see the market rally that to that 410. What's with the new charts? It actually tells you exactly what the levels are, like the dollar amount. It's not just painting the level for you, it's telling you the price of it, so it makes it easier. So you don't have to like line up your stuff. You can see the prices of all of the levels. Yeah, things are bending back around here. Let's see, where's oil? Oh, oil went into the green. What the fuck? Yeah, there goes Oxy. Nice one there. Exxon, how's Exxon doing? I mean, they're slower movers today. I don't know how to take a picture of your gains in Quest Trade. I mean, you can always screenshot it and crop it to get the dollar amount out of it. And Daniel, I don't think so. He could have though. Yeah, the algo's up like 1% today. Not bad. Not bad there. Iger calls Apple merger pure speculation at Disney Town Hall. Interesting. Let's see here, folks. Dude, I'm so excited to give platform out to you guys. And for all of you guys that are locked in at 49, you're literally stealing. Good for you guys. You guys got it all locked in, ready to go. Doesn't allow screenshots. I mean, I don't think you could literally just take the screenshot on your phone. I think they're gonna, or just take a picture of it on the computer. It's not like they're gonna be like, they have some special technology that doesn't allow you to do it. I'm pumped. Dude, me too. It is so cool. OPEC said cutting production. So remember that. We did, yeah. Oh, I did see that OPEC news come through. You need early access to platform. You guys are all going to get it. Everybody that's in with us right now is going to get early access to platform and the discounted price. But this is also the last week to secure the discounted price. So when you go over to Patreon, you will have to pay the 96, but you will be locking in a $49 a month for the next month's coming up forever. And the price that it comes out at is going to be higher. So if you guys want to lock in that deal, the link is in the top of the live chat for those of you guys that are interested. But Spy's kind of chopping around a little bit here. Let's see. Where's Tessie? Apple's not really doing a whole lot today either. Yeah, Tessie's trying to move back up. Some apps do block screenshots on your phone. Interesting. So December will be 49. Yup. You guys will all get it. All you guys that are already in there. When's the change happening? Very soon. This is the last week to lock in 49. Does Patreon automatically lower it? No. So we're gonna send you guys all the instructions and the code, the coupon code to make sure that you guys can lock that in. It's very simple. When the time comes, we'll tell you guys exactly how to do it. But we're not gonna be using Patreon anymore. Let's see. Yeah, Tessie trying to move back up here. Spy trying to get up to that 48. All right, what else we got? Dude, this coffee is actually pretty good. It's like the Dunkin' K-Cups. And I was like, yeah, these are probably going to be shitty. And then they were pretty good. Just got here. Wanted to hear how we're going to go from Patreon to the new platform. Miss it all. Grevin, we'll tell you guys exactly how to do it. It's very simple when the time comes. When is the 80% drop? What do you mean? Yeah, Tessie moving here. You got 2 minutes left on this candle. Are you going to be charged again when you switch? No, you will not. So there's no double charge. No. There's Gingy. There's no double charging. We were talking about this last night where we've set it up in a way where you guys are not going to get double charged. Because we want to give back to you guys that who have been able, that's what we were talking about yesterday. We were like, well, if we do it this way, then they might get charged instantly. So we've set it up in a way that you won't get double charged. So you guys are all good. So we sign up even if we already pay members of the Discord. Yes. Well, you're going to get all the instructions on how to do it. It'll cancel your Patreon and then you'll be good. You just had a payment go through on the 17th, so it won't charge you on the 1st. No, it won't. That is the way that we want to have it set up. So you guys don't get double charged. Double charge Jessica? No, we're not just going to single out Jessica and be like, you double charge. No, we're not going to double charge you guys. All right, team. Let's see what we get here. Where's the dollar? That's the daily. I don't really give a shit about the daily right now. Yeah, it's rimming on the 5-minute. Where's the 10-year? Is there an auction? Nah, I don't think there's an auction today, is there? There shouldn't be. It's been earned, not singled out. I'm not double charging Jessica. All right, team. Keep smashing that like button on the way in. Let's see what we got here. I'll check Twitter, see if there's anything useful over here or if people are just screaming nonsense, which is what usually happens, but let's see. Oh, not a hedge fund. Happy birthday, buddy. Let's see. I don't let me go in through the feed and see what we have. Any more statements from Walter? Yeah, it's just the Disney stuff. Fed Williams says the Fed could lower rates in 2024. That was the TLT stuff. Williams, how high Fed goes with rates depends on the economy. Fed will need to maintain restrictive monetary policy for a while, basically saying they have no idea. So there's a bunch of uncertainty over here as to how high we're going to go and what the terminal rate is actually going to be, meaning what is the height of where the Fed wants to take the federal funds rate. Baseline outlook doesn't see a recession for the US. And Bullard says a recession is not inevitable. So they're still kind of hanging on to that soft landing narrative. We should have a competition and loser gets double charged. You guys are not getting double charged. We're not doing that. It makes it it will make it a disaster if that we do it in person. No, we're not doing that. Let's see. No, but all you guys that are in there right now, you guys are good to go. Oh, I see. We aren't in a recession already. Arvin wants to get double charged. Arvin, no, you don't. Stop. Not inevitable, but it is likely. That's kind of how I view it here too. When AMD bottom, where is it? It's still in the 70s. We're fine. I mean, you're down below this level here, which is a pretty key level. We'll see. We'll see. I'd rather AMD not go back into the 60s, but it is what it is, man. You can double charge me. You got the first 2 months free. How'd you do that, JH? How'd you do that? All right. Things are kind of flickering around over here. Yeah, Ryan was the ultra OG. All right, hold on. Looking to add some new stocks to your IRA. Any thoughts? I know you guys have heard me say this a lot. I'm not touching anything until we get the light at the end of the tunnel. And the statements from the Fed today are still saying we have no fucking clue when that's coming. Patreon's garbage. Yeah, Patreon sucks. I don't even know. Yeah, Patreon's nonsense. So that's one of the reasons why we're switching over. SPY getting ready for a pullback to the 200. It needs to get through the 48 in VWAP first. You can see on the wick that it tries to get bought up by. It can't even get above VWAP here, so the trend is still lower today. You think you're the only original mod that didn't stab you in the back? Oh, there's a few of them kicking around, I think, Ryan. Like, Vegas is still cool. They just don't come in. So they're like, oh no, I don't like this one person. It's like, all right, bro, go to the people that are gonna lead you to the slaughter. Let's see. Shopify calls? Why do you want shop calls? Nah. It's banging its head on the 48, which is done a few times today. Not yet. That probably was, dude. It's like people just can't like understand, like, oh, do I have any ambitions of cashing out my AMD to reposition if you know it's gonna go lower? Not now. Maybe in like it depends. Many people are talking about Cosm. What do you think? Tano, here's the one thing that I think a lot of. If everybody's talking about it, it's too late. And here's the other thing too that you have to think about. And this is just logic. Most of traders and retail investors fail. So if everybody is funneling into one thing, usually it's going to end up being a dumpster fire. So that thing has been up, which is good. And this isn't me sitting here saying like, oh no, like it's going to go to, no, but what goes up must come down. Like eventually this thing is going to get murdered. And you just have to be ready for the time that it does and make sure that you've scaled out of your position. Is this something that I would touch? Fuck no. I'm not going anywhere near this thing. Let's see. House Financial Services Committee schedules FTX hearing for December 13th. Interesting. Invictus QQQ. We got another one. Oh, hello. I don't see it over here, but it might be. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see that. I don't know. We'll highlight the ones that have done really well. Cool. Thank you, bro. No problem. It's just like, here's the thing, Tano. What most people and content creators are going to do is they know and they're going to prey on your emotional aspect that you want to make a bunch of money really fucking quickly. So what they're going to do is they're going to find the hot stock that everybody's talking about, that there's going to be wild price targets out there for, and they're just going to pump the shit out of it because they don't really care. They're just like, oh, more clicks, more ad revenue. And they're not helping anybody. Even if it goes up, they're not helping anybody. Because people don't necessarily know why. They don't have any skills. Like they haven't built any skills. They're like, well, they don't know exactly why it's going up. They don't have any risk management on the trade. They don't have their mindset correct because they're like, oh, everybody's talking about it. It's gonna go to fucking some crazy number and then death. Let's see. Let's see. Like there's not one stock out there that's been like the super hot talked about stock that's actually gone well. Like has gone up and stayed. None of them. Which one in the last year? None of them have. Everything has spurts of growth and then, or not growth, but like rip and then death. You signed up for the new Patreon? Do I need to get connected to Discord? Yes. So Matt Kors Rants, when you are in there, once you connect it to Discord, that's where we're going to send you all of the information on when it's time to transfer over to platform. Now, I'm not sure what you mean by new Patreon. If you signed up through the link in the top of the live chat there, then you should be good to go. QQQ looks kind of whack for a call. Yeah, it's just banging a 10 on VWAP, and it's too close, in my opinion, to the 200 EMA. And at this time in the day, too, is typically when things start to slow down. Sometimes we get these big moves, but we've already had it. We've already gotten our little spurt of volatility here, and I think we'll probably chop around until the end of the day. And that's when you could see a little bit of a crazy move. We're probably going to chop for a while. Thoughts on Baba? I mean, we were looking at this morning and yeah, dude, I'm telling you, these levels are fucking killer. You have this little double top here at this level and it's just coming right back down. What did we say in the morning stream? I was like, okay, I like Baba on this cross up getting to these levels above the 200, but it needs to break above this key level. It didn't. It came right back down to 76. So you got about $1.50 move there on Baba to the downside. Sign up through the link. Perfect. Yeah. So connect it to your Discord and you should be good to go. You'll get access to everything. You're already part of the current Discord? Well, if you're already a paying member, Matt Kors Rants, then you should be good to go. Because if you're already in there and you can see Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, everything, you should be fine. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of it either, Ryan. So we'll see what happens with it. We'll see. You can see all that? Perfect. Then you're good to go, buddy. Yeah, this is for people who aren't in there yet. Everybody that signs up this week is going to get access to that $49 deal for December. But this is the last week to secure that and lock it in. Let's see. All right. Man, it's just the SPY movements here are just kind of overall shitty. It's like, it's just this range. Like when we're trapped in this range, Is platform live? No, but very soon. This is the last week to lock in that the deal though. And if not, and if you're late on it, you can still hop in. It's just going to be at a higher price. All right, Baba slipping a little bit lower here. So I will be good when the new platform is live. Yes, you're good. If you're in there right now and you can see Pythagoras, Trader Joe, Market Talk, everything, and you can talk and your name is highlighted green, you are completely good to go. Let's see. I saw some new stuff on platform last night too, and I was like, oh, filthy. Yeah, I think a lot of people are getting confused. The only thing that you guys have to understand is if you're in there now and you've locked it up with your Patreon and you're in there, you can see everybody and engage with the community, you get the deal. Apple kind of flickering over here. Huh, okay. Whoa. Oh, okay, cool. Let's see. Hold on. Tool worker. What's up, man? How you doing, dude? All right, let's see what we get on. Iger says he's comfortable with Disney's assets currently. That's interesting there. Musk says Apple has mostly stopped advertising on Twitter. That's probably a mistake. I hope you make me rich. Hey, we've done it for a lot of people so far. You are next up. Follow the rules. Make sure that you're thinking about compounding, and we're good to go. And with the other stuff that we have coming up, it's going to be nasty, dude. We have some things in the pipeline that are just like wild. So phase 1 is almost live and complete. Just wait until what happens with phase 2 and phase 3. Those of you guys that are locking it in for 49 are going to be very happy with yourselves. Let's see here. Elon, Apple has mostly stopped advertising on Twitter. U.S. Russian militaries have used deconfliction channel established for Ukraine war just once. Interesting. Spy slipping. Tool worker. I mean, it might be able to go up with Avatar, but other than that, Ape is a complete dumpster fire. Emotional damage. You feel like you signed up again for no reason? You probably did. If you're already in there and you're good to go, you didn't need to do anything else. I don't know. Like, if you were in before, you're good. You don't have to sign up again. Let's see. Can't wait to start off 2023. Dude, Tabasco Dave, you've been killing it. I would not be surprised if you came in next year and you're like, I made 500 grand. And it's like, all right, bro. Baba looks like wants to come down. Yeah, wait for that break of the 200 EMA. That's kind of what I'm looking at there with Baba. If this was an Invictus alert, I'd be like, I'd just play the normal cross on it. Just let the thing go. Definitely can slip though. Spy's kind of trying to slip back down here, but it's just kind of choppy price action after that little spurt of volatility. Hey, how are those not going up more? That's bullshit. Come on. Let's see. Let's see here. All right. Oh, we are 25 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. So all of you guys that are filtering in here, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the stream, helps out a whole lot over here. Nancy slipping a little bit lower. Baba doing its thing. I mean, we have the Fed speakers speaking right now, but they're not. I don't see anything else coming through. Biden administration to hold oil lease sale off Alaska coast. Williams not clear how crypto will ever serve as money. So they're still talking, but it's not necessarily as market moving as it was prior. Oh, here we go. Fed not close to reaching a decision on CBDC. Grevin, okay, so here's the deal. If you guys are already, I don't know why this is so confusing. If you guys are already existing members of our community, you're in there, you're in Market Talk, you can see Invictus, Pythagoras, everything else, and you can use it, you are good. We will send you all of the information when the time is right. If you guys aren't in there and want to get access to the deal, then you would need to sign up before this week ends through the current link that we have with Patreon. Then you're good to go. Tesla. Ooh, hold on. Oh, I'm out of coffee. Damn it. And water. Shit. You got 3 years until a 30-year pension. It will be difficult to walk away from your day job. Yeah, I'd probably keep that then. Yeah, Tesla, I mean, it could break here, but let's see. Tesla double top of 188.50. Oh, you're right. You're right. Spy's trickling lower. Ooh, this actually, hold on. All right. So if Tessie can break that 13 EMA on the 5-minute here, get a closing candle down below, I wouldn't say that's the worst thing in the world. RSI is below its moving average. This MACD is about to cross here too. I mean, it's getting there right now. That's getting there. Let's see what happens with it. I'm not taking it just because I'm already done for the day. So, well, let's see. You really have two levels here on Tesla. That's the problem. Like, this thing could break down and come back to 186.62, so $1, which wouldn't be bad. I mean, that's a decent scalp, and you're risking day high. So that's essentially what you'd be looking at here. You're risking a break of the day high on Tesla and catching that reversal move back to the downside. Nancy, little slip. Why? These contracts better be going up, bro. This is nonsense. I mean, they're up nicely today. Yeah, I mean, they're up decent today. How much are these up? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'll take that. Benjamin will cover your weed smoking. Oh boy, Tabasco Dave. Yeah, here comes Spy. Tessie's not really doing it yet. Apple's starting to break a little bit lower here. Here we go. Let's see. So Spy is looking like it wants to come down and test this 397.75 level again. If it doesn't breaks through, you're looking at some cascade, which will be fun. Ooh, 12x away from 100 now. Thank you, team. Let's see what we're getting here, folks. Ooh, the algorithm's up 1.3. There we go. That's not bad. Yeah, there we go. These should start going up more. On your way with a like, AR guy. Thank you, buddy. All right, let's check and see where the dollar is. Dollar rimming that 13. Yeah, nothing else from the Fed. 10-year not moving, so this is just a SPY move. Number 92. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's see what we're getting here. Was watching the charts. Got the leg now. Chanley. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. All right, let's see. How's yeah, let's see. Let's see. Community gains. Damn, bro. 6% on the day. I mean, Tabasco Dave's takes the cake today with 60% on the day. Jesus, Holden, what? Relax, bro. Holden's been killing it too, up another 6.84% on the day. Jesus, guys. JP Morgan cuts estimate for 2023 global average oil prices. Interesting. Adds that OPEC Plus would need to cut output to balance out supply growth from places such as Brazil, Norway, Guyana, US and Canada and Argentina next year. Oh, here it comes. Spy's looking to wick to those lows there. Hello. Tessie breaking that level would be interesting. Nancy starting to slip a little bit here. Ho, 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 ho. Shop getting a bounce. Interesting. Oh, we're 2 away now. Thank you, team. Bring me more debt. There goes Tessie a little. I mean, feels like a no-brainer, but this thing could bounce here. If you crack down here, oh, you've got 1 minute to go here too. How much time's actually on this candle? 21 seconds. If they hold it down below here and bring it to these lows, this is going to get dirty, I think. Let's see. Where's that Tessie rejection? There it is. Watch the 187 break. Apple starting to slip a little lower too. 144.74 is the low. So it's what, 13 cents off? I hear Iowa is nice this time of year. It's getting there. All right, there's that candle closing down below. Now what you could essentially look at here is a retest of 397.75. And if it hits there, spaghetti-o market. Nancy bouncing back up. Tessie still slipping lower here. Apple trying to hold on a little bit, but let's see. Just checked. Already hit the leg. We're good. Casey, thank you, buddy. Yeah, I mean, you could get a double bottom here, but if this thing breaks and cascades, you're looking at 396.50. Apple lower, Tessie come. That Tesla rejection was sexy, bro. Not as good as the Shopify one we called earlier, but still very nice. Let's see. All right, I hear Iowa, dude. If we get to Iowa here, that's gonna be dirty. So here's the retest. So you got 5. They might buy it up. Let's see. Am I sick? No, I'm chilling. It's the cold weather, dude. I was in Florida all last week and I was good, and now it's the cold weather. And now I got the sniffles again. It's bullshit. I'm moving to Florida. Fuck this cold nonsense. I hate it. I was walking outside like last week and I was like, I hate the cold. It sucks. Then I was in Florida and it was like 90, bro. Maybe even more. It was hot as shit. All right. Let's see how we're doing here. Move to Cali? Fuck no. I don't want to pay those taxes. You guys hear me bitch about taxes all the time. You're like, move to the highest taxes. No, not happening. You should buy a Mercedes first. Oh, thanks, Pepe. It's not like I already had one and then got rinsed on the getting out of the lease. Nobody wants to live in Cali? No, I don't think they do. Ooh, what is that? Oh, the MC20? That looks sick. Yeah, so they're pushing SPY a little bit lower. Yucca! Hello. I haven't seen Yucca in forever. How you doing, buddy? Florida doesn't have state income tax? No, I know. That's why I would go there. Tax avoidance, not tax evasion. That's how we're doing it. Nobody wants to live in Texas either. Why Texas? I feel like Texas is chill. But I don't know. I would move to Florida. Florida's nice. All right. Yeah, this Tessie move was nice. If you scalp that Tessie move, good for you. I know. Yucca's back. There we go. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys have not already. Let's do it, man. Doug, what's up, man? Shout out to all the members of the channel in the live chat, too. You guys are awesome. Let's see. Yeah, these are probably doing pretty good here. Let me see. Come to New York City. You can meet your mother, Kenny. I've been to New York City many times. First time I got hammered was in New York City. That Tesla move is good. If you guys are in those Tessies right there, you have that dollar move. So this is probably the spot where I would look at scaling out. Moving a stop to break even and then letting the thing go. So that's how I would play this Tesla scalp here. You have to pay $10,000 in state income taxes this year, so Florida looks more and more appealing. Oh yeah, Baba Invictus. That one might do. See, here's the problem with the Baba one though. You need it below the 200 EMA, so this is more so just a cross. Yeah, here comes SPY back lower. Let's see if this thing falls off a cliff and breaks day lows. You're about to get a new candle down below this level as well, which is interesting. 2 candles below 397.75 would be interesting. Let's see here. Yeah, here's the new candle. Here it comes. Let's see if we get the knife. Come on, death. Kill it. Kill the market. 397.50. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Kill the market. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. I don't even have a position, and I'm just like, oh, fucking die. Just kind of hanging out here, just cheering for market death. It's always fun. Did they do it? Ah, those fuckers. Grevin, no, I don't. Taxes are just dumb in general. I hate all taxes. They can all fuck off. So can those spam callers trying to ask me about Medicare rewards. Listen, bro, I'm 23. I don't need your silly health nonsense. I'll be fine. Ooh, come on. Come on, Spy. I know you want to do it. I know you want to do it. Come on. Let's see some cascading death today. That would be fun. Silvergate Capital said to have lent money to BlockFi. That's not good. What time does my kid get out of school? I don't know. AARP STV? Trading ages you faster? No, it doesn't. If you think trading is stressing you out, you're oversizing. Arvid. Taxes is why we have roads and many other things. Why not just like not pay them though? Because I just don't care. I don't want to pay taxes. The whole thing is a system of people paying in, and there's always going to be somebody that doesn't get anything in return. There's no way that you can convince me to be happy about paying taxes. It's not going to happen. We're not going to happen. Let the oil barons pay. Okay, cool. No taxes. Of course, you're oversizing. You have plenty of margin to YOLO. Arvin, no. Let's see. They didn't want to do it here. There's a whole group of people that keep track of telemarketers, and they make them pay settlements when they break the laws. One dude earned almost 100K just from that, but it's time consuming and tedious. Yeah, I would just rather them not call me. Like, yeah. Plus, if our government was like better at spending money, I'd be like, oh, cool. But they suck at it. They're like the literal worst people at spending money. So it's like, yeah, we might have roads and stuff, but then a lot of money disappears and goes nowhere. So it's like, okay. Never call the police then if you're in danger. Guys, I'm not saying that I don't support the police now. You can't spin this on me. I just don't like paying taxes. No, there's other ways to do it, Gingy. I'm saying that the government just sucks at managing money. So if they were more efficient at managing the money that they were receiving, then okay, then all of our taxes would be a lot lower. But they just suck at it. Oh, here's $17 billion fucking over here. Vote for Bob? I'm still voting for Bob. No taxes. You know who else doesn't like paying taxes? Everybody. Like, let's see. The 58 level. Yeah, right here. Yeah. I want to see it get cracked. This is a tight range. It might look big, but this is tight. It's 25 cents. Let's see. Let's see. Is it a bug? It might be, Arvin. It might be. We've seen a few of those come in today. Interesting. Okay. We'll see what happens with that. I can always ask Algo and Andy. Imperfect system, but there are benefits. True. There are benefits. Let's see. Colorado was supposed to generate all kinds of tax revenue from legalized weed. They just wasted the money and still paying for more and never ends. That's also true. Oh, Nibbler? Yeah, that is also true. That was a funny one. All right. Let's see here. Apple's starting to slip a little bit, but nothing crazy. SPY's still teetering around this level here. Oh, they popped it back above. Let's see what they want to do with this. Nibbler. That was a top tier joke there, buddy. Let's see. All right, things are moving back down. Baba bouncing off here. Again, that's the deal with Baba around the 200. It's like, you're just waiting for it to get on the other side. Patient thief. Yeah. Let's see. Thank you. Thank you. There you go, bud. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see. All right, cool. We hear on stream. Nice. Nice. So again, this is just some choppy bullshit on the SPY here. I probably wouldn't touch anything. I wish we had a say in what our tax money went to personally. 100%. If I could say I want it here, I'd be cool with that. QQQ dead. It should be dead. That's what I said. I didn't like that one. That one was not for me. Everything's really too close to the 200 here, and SPY's at some pretty key levels. I mean, if it breaks lower, yeah, you can see things get interesting here. All right. And Nancy's just fucking around. Dude, this is just burning my premium for no reason. This is why I don't trade fucking stocks that are shitty. I just need to not do that anymore. I'm still up 10% on it, but that's just bullshit. These contracts should be up way more. Nonsense, bro. LSD would make this more interesting. Dude, Friday's market was like watching paint dry. I was like, I don't want to do this. I was just sitting there like, well, like the market's not going anywhere. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Am I in the Tesla? No. No, it's not Tesla. Tesla's fine. I'll trade Tesla all the time, but oh, look at here. Us calling that rejection perfectly again. Oh ho ho ho. It's almost like we're good. Friday's market, I revenge traded and got killed. Yeah, you can't do that. I mean, you could see the Tessie come down to what do you call it now? VWAP if it wants to break. I mean, what were we saying here? We were looking at Tessie coming down, breaking this 13. This was kind of the scale out point, dollar lower, and now it's starting to come down. This is the perfect rejection move here. You're scalping 10, 15, 20%, and you're out. Boom. Easy. I didn't want it just because of the fact that I'm already nicely green today. So it's like, why put any more money at risk when you're already up? But look at that Tessie, dude. Come on, touch that VWAP. That would be like this either the second scale out point or the point where I would either move a stop deep in profit or just ditch it fully. So if SPY can continue to come down here, you might see it go. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, bro. Thank you, though. I appreciate it, Pepe. Man, that Tesla move was nasty. End of the day, SPY run up or down? Yes. I don't know. That's a coin flip. That's going to be a coin flip. Let's see. Oh, dude, that Tesla rejection from we are looking at it right here, 187.66, $1.66 move on Tessie. Woo! Perfect. Who won the lottery? I don't know, not me. It used to be my birthday every day. That's true. It did used to be my birthday every day. And then when it was actually my birthday, that was a fun day. We were drinking on the stream. That was a good time. Still in the Tesla. Wow. There you go. What are you up, Vapor Rub? What are you up on that one? Because I'm just trying to see. I would assume it's 15 to 20% on these. Today's your birthday? Happy birthday, guys. Tesla. We called the Tesla one up here. 187.66. So it's moving down now. This is already past the scale out portion. You could easily see a bounce at VWAP or this 48. Yeah, what are you guys up on that Tesla one? Because there's been two Tesla rejections that we hunted today, and it just lights out. 18%. Solid, Daniel. There you go. Oh, that was the other video. How to play rejections. That was the other one. That was the other one. That was the other one. It was how to play the reversals. Thank you guys for reminding me, even though I thought of that. Go team. Go team. Yeah. So let's see what happens with Tesla here. This is the scale out. It's at least past the scale out point. So if you're in the Tesla, you should have at least scaled out of something by now. That's according to how I would trade it. I mean, if you're going to YOLO this down to VWAP, it's not that far away, but you've got some nice gains on the table there. No, I have the covered call video. I just have to clip it up and then release it. It's all there. I just got to go back and find the clips and do it. And then we have the rejections video, which will be a good one. Dollar. Where's the dollar here? Dollar moving up nicely off that little 5-minute rim. There we go. Now these are up nicely. 15%. Thank you. I would love them to be up like 30. Then I can make them deep free. 36% on Tesla. You're out. Vapor rub. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Yeah, that was a solid one there, that reversal on Tesla, just moving down. Again, it's simple. So going through quickly about how we would do that reversal move. Look, you're looking for the MACD to lose that bullish momentum. Now, you could have taken it here, or you're looking at it for when it's going to break this 13 and showing red on the histogram. You already have RSI below its moving average. It rimmed right here, so you actually could have taken it up here if you wanted to. Then you get this nice cascading move down. This is most likely I think it's, what is this? 186.26. What's my level? 186.62. So it's right around that scale out point, right around here. So it's easy. See, those moves are not hard. They're very, very, very simple. You know exactly what your risk is too. You're essentially risking day high. Let's see. Always learning, always saving. I mean, we've said he said he's probably gonna, if it goes down to 3, he'll probably guide it again. But no, there's no reason to. Always learning, always saving. The ape is a dumpster fire, and I tried to warn you guys at 7. Like, it was just terrible the way they did it. Like, it's actual theft. Like, it's using info from or a vote from years ago to do something that the shareholders don't want, and then they completely botched the entire thing. So you can say all you want about they're gonna raise money from it. It's like they can't at these prices. And then the other thing is who is gonna buy it? Anybody with a brain on their shoulders is gonna be like, I'm literally just donating to a GoFundMe. A literal GoFundMe would have been better than that. Than moving 40% of people's equity and then letting it go into 0. All right, SPY flash day low there. Like, literally, if you said, hey, we're going to do a GoFundMe, that would have been better for everybody than doing what they did. And then you're going to have people come out and say, it's like, no, it's going to this. No, it's fucking not. Yeah, we just hit Iowa here. And we just bounce off of it quick. Fair point. Yeah, again, I tried to warn you guys. I know all of you guys in here right now are most likely, pretty smart and realize that, especially for those of you guys that stuck around, it's like you guys are smart enough to see it's like that's actually what was going on versus the hopium nonsense that people were blowing up everybody's butts. But again, it is what it is. It's everybody's own money and they can do whatever they want with it. I'm focused on helping you guys make money, not hopium bullshit lotto plays. So it is what it is. If you don't want to be here, that's okay. You can completely go somewhere else. But if you want to stick around here and make money, fine by me, man. Dixie just broke up. Yeah, it's probably coming back down now. Nope. Yeah, it is breaking higher. Into the moon. Ugh. If Dixie breaks 106.45, market will dip. Where is that? Is it this? Yeah. Yeah, it's right around here. 106.50 would be an interesting break on the dollar. Everything's moving back up a little bit here. Let's see. How's oil? Well, oil's still looking okay. Natural gas is still a little in the red. Let's see. And then again, you guys that have been printing with Invictus, there you go. Your Discord is going to expire on 12/1. You want to lock back into the new price 49.99. How can you get it? Ty Sun, if you are in there and you are a paying member throughout this pay period, you are completely good to go. So if you maintain your membership going into December, you will get access to the code. If not, then you're going to have to come back in at the higher price. But again, for all you guys that are in here right now too, if you do end up joining with us throughout the end of this week, you will get access to the $49 discount lifetime every single month. It's going from 96 to 49 for all of you guys that are in there with us before we launch. Now, this is the last week that you're able to lock in that deal. And that link is in the top of the live chat, which I can throw in for you guys here as well to make sure that you guys have it. I mean, again, you guys get it's all platform. So you guys get all of that for platform. So there's some stuff on there that we haven't shown you guys yet. But what we have shown you is you're going to get Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all the curriculum videos, the live streams, everything, plus a lot of extra stuff too. And then if you guys are locking in that deal as well, everything that we offer in the future, you guys will have access to, and the price will not go up on you. So you guys are all good to go. And we have some crazy shit coming. Why would Aaron do that to people? He seems to be no, he is Gingy. The problem is that they just botched it. The market saw that the thing was a dumpster fire and then did it. He didn't make any money on it. Like it's not like he just did it and cashed out. It was just a terrible decision. They literally should have just done a GoFundMe. BlockFi filing bankruptcy. Yeah, they what do you call it? Dude, look at that Tesla move. Oh, yeah, we saw that BlockFi stuff a little bit earlier, but that Tesla rejection, fire, dude. There we go. Killing it yet again. So that's kind of what we were. But if he knew it would screw people over, why would he do it? Because he didn't think it would. Again, think about who he's dealing with. Anything that's related to the company, he just assumes that people are going to buy it. But the problem is that people are smart enough now to see, what's this? Like, trustworthiness out the window. Like Gingy, it doesn't have to have like bad intent. It can still end up like as a terrible thing. Like he doesn't have to be like, oh, I'm gonna fuck them over. No, no, no. It can still come out and he's like, oh, I think this can be good. And then it just doesn't end up good. So I mean, we don't have to keep talking about it. It is what it is. I told everybody what was gonna happen the day it came out. Let's see here. Spies, it's still chopping around this level a little bit here. All right, let's see. Oh, these are gonna be up nicely. Nice. Wayne, that's just a glitch in the system. It shouldn't be. That's the second one. Ask Algo about that one. Let me see. I'll ask Algo about that one. Oh, I also haven't looked at QQ. Oh, I gotta charge my damn mouse. Yeah. Invictus into not. It's just on the back end. Just vowed to stay away from. GG, that's a smart decision. Let's see. Dixie new high. Uh-oh. Where's Amazon today? Because you're looking at those rejections coming down. Yeah, here Amazon comes. Dimilton, why are you in the Baba play? We talked about this one. It's got to get around the other side of the 200 for it to make any sense. Like when this was triggering, it was like here, 76.03, let's call it, in the 200s at 75.76. So you've got a brick wall here that can only potentially give you 25 cents before it bounces. That's not a play that you really want to be taking. Have I made any plays with metamaterials? Or no. Those are, dude, look at the charts on these things. Unless you just bought in, you got blasted. It's at 184. Like you'd have to go up multi-thousands of percent to even get back up here. No. I don't mess around with any of those stocks, man. I'll trade my NVIDIAs. I'll lock in my 1-2% a day with all the people in there with us. And then we're just going to keep compounding our gains and make a bunch of money. It's not worth it. giant moves incoming up or down. Well, we saw this one coming down, and we have a shitload of data coming out this week too. So we are going to see some volatility this week, especially coming off of last week. If we sign up for the Discord back in August, does the new price automatically adjust for us? No. So what you have to do is we're going to send you all the instructions on how to get over on platform. Then you're good to go. You bought it at 74 cents. Good trade, but you got to make sure that you're again, that's the thing. Like if you guys do choose to like play with those stocks that are incredibly risky, all I'm saying is do not think to yourself that it's going to go to crazy, crazy, crazy high levels. It's just a trade. That's all it is. So make sure that you're trading with proper risk management. And if you are, I can't say shit. But if you come in here and you said it's going up 30, I'd be like, you're a moron. But if you say, oh, I've made it free, I have no risk on the table, I'm just going to see what happens with it. Cool. Like that's perfect, dude. No, winning loser. You do get charged for this month, but the charge for December will be 49, and you do not get double charged. So the link is in the top of the live chat for you guys to lock that in, but I'll throw that in here for you guys again. You get all of those. I mean, we have the best tools, way better than Powell's tools, because Powell's tools are fucking terrible. Where's Amazon? And it's still slowly chopping its way down here. Let's see what we get on this. TLT, long calls or long puts. Why? Neither right now. It doesn't. The TLT I'm just using as a barometer for overall market moves. December will be 49. Yes. Guys, why is this so confusing? Like, why are we so confused on this? If this week is the last week to secure the $49 discount. You hope you don't lose the 69 before platform. You shouldn't. If you're having issues though, just send a message in questions or shoot a message to Diana Eddie. So excited. Me too, Jessica. It's gonna be sweet. Because a lot of them renew in the middle of the month. You'll still be fine. They want to pay $13.48 lifetime. They can do lifetime too. I mean, we'll have lifetime, quarterly, yearly. We got all that stuff for you guys too, if you guys want to do that. But how's my Thanksgiving? It was good, man. Hopefully yours was good too. Right. What the? Let's see. What's up, man? Long time no see. Did you finally move out of mom's house after graduation? Must have lost your ass because I haven't seen you on YouTube in a year. No. I live in a high-rise apartment building, and I do pretty well. So, I mean, if you've been over listening to the people with it's fine. You can say whatever the fuck you want. I don't care. I really don't care. Let's see. What's this guy smoking? I don't know, man. I don't know. I really just don't care. Like, it is what it is. I love how people just come in here and be like, "You're poor," and I'm like, "All right." Like, it's like people just come in here and be like, "You poor," and I'm like, "All right." Like, no brainer. Pay 96 next month 49. You save paying for 13.48. Yep. You want to be STV levels of poor? Let's see. Your mom was vacuuming the background of your first few shows. No, dude. Okay, first of all, even if that was the case, and I was in college in the summer, where else do you expect me to live? Like, I live at I'm in school. You think I'm just gonna be like, fuck it, bro? I'm not gonna live with my family because I'm special. Like, that's just weird. Like, that would just be a weird thing to do. It's just like, all right, I'm gonna not live at home. I love it. People are just like, haha, I don't like, you must be poor. And it's like, okay. Anthony, welcome to the live chat, buddy. Hopefully you're having a good day and had a good holiday. Oh, also, make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram too if you guys have not already. We're gonna be doing I think next week we're gonna be good to go to start throwing some of that stuff out there too. All of you guys that do choose to follow me over there right now, I will follow you back. We're gonna be having a lot of fun. So when he literally just moved out. Good Lord, Anthony. Oh, this is fun. Anthony, we have proprietary algorithms that crush it. Like, I don't know why you're in here trying to talk nonsense when our people just print. Go have fun with your silly stocks that people. Oh my God, Anthony. Anthony. This is not how we wanted the day to go. Anthony. Oh no. He's both so butthurt. Anthony, I'm not going to just sit here and flex on you if that's what you're asking for. Because here's the thing, you're basically saying you're poor, don't listen to him. But then if I say, oh, I do all of this cool shit and then I do all this other stuff too, you're going to be like, oh, you just look like an asshole. So then I can't win. And then it's just silly. And then you just in here looking like a dickhead. Like, I can't believe you've done this. Proprietary algorithms? Yeah, that's what they are. Is this a private stream? No, of course not. So make sure you guys are hitting the like button on the stream too. I mean, dude, you guys have seen the gains all the time. You guys know the deal. The only people that are butthurt about 1348 are the people that aren't in it and are losing their ass from all this other bullshit that they listen to on social media. And he blew up his account today. I might have. We know you only have $200 STV. You're right. I only have $200. You're right. I forgot about that. Chan's cousin. Dude, I know. I love it. It's so much fun. So if let's see, as we mod me up, I want to click the button. Leo, maybe later. Hugs for Anthony, he'll be okay. If he's not in there with us using Invictus, he's probably gonna lose a lot of money. Oh, what's up, Instagram people? How you guys doing? Crying like a simp. Don't you have a degree in economics? No, I have a degree in finance, but it's useless. Can you borrow $200? No. Squirrel. You want to borrow 150K though? Oh man. All right, team. So now that we have Simp Boy calling me poor out of the live chat, let's get back to work. We just nailed the Tesla. Still better than most people. I mean, true. I was gonna ask for the 150, for the bus. What's up, dude? How you doing? Dude, I love the public live streams because it's always like somebody comes in here and then every single day when I have those like beliefs that I'm like, yeah, most people are just like kind of dumb. It just reaffirms it every day, which is cool. And then you guys can sit here and be like, he's an asshole. It's like, whatever. Squirrel was the winner of the 150K. We could do a 150K giveaway. Sony to supply Apple with image sensors for the next iPhone. Ooh, interesting. Nord Stream updates Russia Germany pipeline outages and date to April. Whoa. What is that? April 1st, 2023. Don't listen to them. Well, don't say that. It's just like, why are you coming in here and being like, you're poor? It's just a weird thing to do. So if you have a finance degree, could you actually become a financial advisor? You can do that without a degree, dude. You can do anything you want. You don't need a degree. If I had like a history degree and then I took the 7, the 64, the 6, all of those, I could still do it. Let's see here. Yeah, SPY starting to move a little bit lower again. Spaghetti-O. Ooh, there we go. Those contracts are probably doing good now too. All right, one second. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Chris, I still can't do that. Like that's you still can't do that. All right, folks, let's see. Ooh, we are almost at 150 likes today. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate that. We're like, what, 22 away? Thank you, everybody. Let's see. Dixie's about to hit the level. What was it? 106.45, you were saying? Oh, it hit it already. Oh, it blew through there. Oh, no, this is blown. Oh, it's getting there. Yeah, dollar's ripping up here nicely. So watch out on the SPY here. If this thing starts to break lows, I mean, you have this nice little 5-minute rim, and the Tessie was basically perfect. That Tesla call out was nasty. Well, the support and resistance levels are on there now. So you guys have all that now. All right. SPY bouncing off. Ooh, I would love to see it crack to Iowa here. That would be cool. Sorry for yelling. That's okay, Leo. You can yell. That's all right. Yeah, the other algo's up 1.22% for the day. Nice, dude. Actually, I am a bit curious. Can we withdraw from the paper account on TradingView? No, you actually can't do that. That's a big no-no, and the IRS is going to yell at you if you try and take money out of a paper trading account. They'll also probably come and be like, "Hey, dumbass!" Like, what was I going to look at here? I was about to pull something up. Oh, that's what I was going to do. Can you withdraw the margin from your account? No. No. Free money. You just got TradingView and the support and resistance levels are nice. Hot potato is awesome. Yeah, man. I mean, those charts are amazing. Invictus is a killer. Pythagoras is killing it. Like, Pythagoras was struggling a little bit. Trader Joe has been the one that's still just chugging along. I think Pythagoras is having a pretty good day today, though. Yeah, he's moving back up. What's Trader Joe at? 19.38% in the green. Nice job, Trader Joe. At this point, why wouldn't it be worth it? Because this is the thing that a lot of people don't realize. You have to be sponsored by a financial institution, and it's just an expense per year for them. So if you're not generating them any money, what's the point of them allowing you to do that? It doesn't make any sense. Plus, nothing that we do falls under all of that nonsense. We create all of those algorithms and alert systems and teach you guys how to use them. It's not like, oh, buy here, sell here. There is no always learning, always safe. There is no risk to it. Because we know the rules. We have our legal team. We know what we can and cannot say. If I then came out and started telling you guys, buy this here, sell this here, then that's a big no-no, and you cannot do that. And a lot of people do, which is bullshit for a variety of reasons. One, you don't learn anything. You don't know why you're buying and selling. Two, it's a big no-no. If the SEC was like, oh, we're going to do this, it's like, uh-oh. Can I look at SPY? Yeah, it's right here. Oh, Iowa. Look at that move. It's not following through, though. So let's see what happens on the within the next 2 minutes if this thing wants to follow through. That Tessie rejection was nasty, too. SPY Shark? Yeah. Oh, these contracts are going to be up nicely here. All right, okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm about to show you guys the fun trade that I have, and we're going to have some fun with it. And I'm going to put it in the Discord right now. This is Wall Street, Dr. Burry. If you give us free money, we are going to take it. Boom. There you go. What's good with the new membership? You've been with 1348 for a while. Oh, if you guys are already in there with us, you are going to get all of the instructions on how to get that $49 deal. For those of you guys that aren't in with us right now, and you do want to, this week is the last week to join with us, and then get access to the $49 deal when it comes out really soon. But this week is the last week to get locked in. So the link is at the top of the live chat over there, and I'll throw it in there for you guys again. Let's see. You guys go. You want to hop in there and get all that we offer? starting next month at 49 a month. You will have to get in and pay the 96, but then you get 49 a month forever. And this is just phase 1. There's phase 2, phase 3. We might even get to a phase 4. Ooh, my man. Okay, thanks. There you go, Andy. Let's see. Did you guys like that? Oh, you guys did like that. Yeah, dude. I mean, it's free money. When can we do the lifetime though? You'll be able to do that very soon as well. It's all around the same time. Dude, I need like coffee, water, something, dude. Spy going to Iowa here. I love it. How much is lifetime? 1348. Did you take that on the 3-minute rim and crackdown just now? No. No. I've had that for a little bit. Which is annoying me because those should be up a lot more. Like a lot more. So I'm probably never ever gonna trade it again. Even though it's a solid trade, it's like, You live in Iowa? There you go. Let's see. Spy trying to bounce back up off those lows. Let's see where these things are going to go here. All right, team. What do you mean why, Jessica? It's cold. I bet it is. It'll work from your phone, Jamie. We have it works on mobile. You're good to go. You guys it's so we'd have to do a whole like live stream and make sure that you guys are all caught up of everything that's going to happen, but we're going to give you guys all the information when we do release it to you, which is incredibly soon. Why does he live in Iowa? I don't know. Sometimes people just like to live places, like on purpose. Nah, man, just accidentally moved to Iowa. Ooh, there we go. The algo's up 1.4% today. Nice. Netflix on the daily. Dude, that Tesla I wish I took it. But again, risk management, want to make sure that I'm not doing anything stupid when I'm already up really nicely for the day. Could I daily you're saying on Netflix? I mean, the daily here is banging its head on the 200. It flashed up and then came back down. This was looking for the gap fill. I don't think it ever did it though. No. 330 is the gap fill. That's how's the 4-hour look? The 4-hour probably looks pretty good on this. Nah, that's kind of no man's land there on Netflix. I mean, you do see a nice trend here that it could bounce off of. You're really, really beholden to the SPY here though. You accidentally moved to Minnesota once. How do you accidentally move somewhere, guys? Like, how does that work? You're just like, whoops. Like, oh, it came out on the 4-hour alert? Nice. All right, folks. Ooh, 9 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. The same way you accidentally moved to Canada. Guys, I don't understand how you accidentally moved to somewhere. Like, you have to do a lot of planning in advance to be like, I'm going to move here. I don't get it. You guys are confusing me here. Apple puts? Why? It's just kind of chop it around the whole day. Nothing that wouldn't follow any of these rules. That wouldn't follow any of the rules. Oh, these are good. Give me death, bro. There we go. Kidnapped? You could be kidnapped. Yeah, the Apple and the Twitter stuff. I mean, there was Apple Disney news, there was Apple Twitter news. Like, there wasn't anything that crazy going on with it. It's not reacting to it. So you saw a little bit of nonsense on Apple in the morning, and remember, Apple's already down 2%. You could see it come down to 142.70. I don't think it's gonna be able to do it today, unless the SPY knifes hard. And then where's Tessie? So we were watching that VWAP to see. Oh, dude, that Tesla rejection was just fucking beautiful. Oh man. It just came across. There's new ones. I saw the old stuff about Musk says yes when asked if Apple is threatening Twitter's presence in the App Store or otherwise making moderation demands. Oh, that's interesting. That's like accidentally smoking crack. Yeah, you can't accidentally. Jessica, Jesus, you're just causing emotional damage there. You're just like, screw it. I'm trying to cause problems. Yeah, this would probably be about the time that, I mean, is anybody still in Tesla? I mean, I was talking about it like I wanted to do it. Everything made sense on the rejection there. I just, it's fucking Tesla and I'm already green. So why am I doing, I remember accidentally smoking crack. How did you, no, that's not how this works. You know, someone who accidentally smoked crack, they really, oh, okay. Yeah, you can accidentally do drugs. That's fair. Cause technically I have too when I got drugged. Um, I didn't do that on purpose. So I guess that would then be called an accident, right? Intel? What's up with Intel? No, this is just slowly making its way down here. You accidentally do drugs every day. That's not an accident. That's not an to build Intel semiconductor facilities in Ohio. That news is kind of already out about Intel Semiconductors. So. Sorry, SB put too much in your drink. I'm bad with measurements, but I didn't follow up with the rest of your plan. Moto, thanks, bud. I would really rather not have you have followed up with the rest of your plan. SV's roofie story. It's not, I mean, I didn't get roofied. I could tell you the whole story. It's just like, it's weird that it happened where it did. I think I just said that, I went out one night and like did it, but it's like, no. This is like an aggressive night out it started off tame and then I could tell you the full story. But then the guy calling me poor is not even going to be here to hear it. So what's the point? So let's see. 1.35% on the algo. Nice. You live in Wyoming? Okay, we're not talking about Wyoming. It's Iowa, bro. Iowa is New Lows. Was it the strip club? No, it was not the strip club. Ooh, we're one like away from 150. Who's going to be the lucky winner? Let's see. What are my views about BlockFi? It's shit. I never really liked BlockFi. You can't offer 8% yields and expect like normal thinking people to be like, that's fine. That's not okay. They declared bankruptcy today, I believe. So again, when anybody offers you a super high yield, you automatically have to think like why? Like, why are they offering me this yield? Intel coming down a little bit here. Where's Tessie? Did it break the 48 in VWAP? It's getting there. Spill the beans. No. There was no stripping involved. It had nothing to do with stripping. There was no stripping. Zero stripping. So let's see here. AR guy. I tried to warn everybody at like 7, dude. Why was man. All right, that Tesla rejection is now making me upset because I didn't take it. So I hope somebody got it, but that was gnarly. Was it a wedding? No, dude. It's it wasn't that crazy. The story's already boring if there's a nudity involved. Dude, it wasn't even that. It wasn't even one of my crazier nights. Like, it was very tame, which is why it was weird that I got roofied. Well, it wasn't a roofie, but because Adam Aaron said it was the pound. Well, he's wrong. Let's see. Oh my lord, dude. It's down. I fucking tried to tell you. I tried. And everybody was so mad at me. And I'm like, what are you getting mad at? Fuck you, Tesla. That's annoying. But SPY's moving down. Oh, come on, man. Read your message above. What'd you say? You can have safe high yields because the crypto ones were not safe. Yeah. I feel the need to tell you that you need to keep 100 billion stashy in your wallet for those mornings after a crazy night. $100 million. I think I don't need that. Rant for the clips. Still in Tesla. You're still in Tesla? Jesus. Dude. You're welcome. That's 2 filthy plays today that I've called out that I have not been able to hit. And I am still up. What? Because these are still flickering around. So I'm still up about 2.42% on the day. And I didn't even catch anything dirty. Oh, $100 bill. So the Shopify was nasty. This Tesla rejection was filthy. I mean, it is what it is, man. I mean, we were calling these things out left and right all the time. Again, this is the last week to get locked in at 49 too. So again, it's 96 right now, but next month it drops to 49, and we'll give you all of the instructions to do that. Yeah, I don't know why I would need $100 because I feel like if I had cash on me, it would have been stolen that night. Like I was checking my bank accounts, dude. I was like, did anybody steal money from me somehow? No, all good. Just free drugs, I guess. Shop is really nasty. 1%, 1.5% on the port on that play. Yeah, dude. That one was the one in the pre-market where I was like, this is the one. It just the where it was in relation to the 13s and the 48. I just didn't really like it where it was, but I'm happy that you guys nailed it. And then this Tesla one too. I should just wait for rejections all day long and just sleep in and then play this and then be done. Go back to bed. Let's see. Where is let's see what we got on Twitter here. Anything crazy? Sounds like a good night. No, it was not a good night. Well, it was. I had fun. Like, if we're being honest, I had fun. The pictures from that night, hilarious. One of them is on my Instagram. One of those pictures from that night, yeah, it's the most recent photo on my Instagram. Is the photo from that night where I got drugged. I forgot about that. Yeah, so you got that's me just like like I'm just cheesing, having a great time. Truckers giving you a ride from Wyoming to Denver after a drug and adventure, but don't accept Cash App? Oh, interesting. Why don't go to Wyoming to I don't understand any of that, but okay. If you want to enter or put for this buy, where would be a good entry? I mean, this isn't terrible. You'd essentially be risking the 13 EMA. That's kind of what you would be doing here. I don't think you should be chasing it down. It can always break down very hard here, but there's not really a hold on. Okay. Yeah, ADX is just momentum, Fred. It's just showing you how strong the trend actually is. Oh, there we go. That fun trade that I showed you guys in the Discord is now up about 26%. So, actually, I kind of want to do this here, where I think that I can make that like aggressively free here. Yeah, if this goes shitty, so I'll put an order there, and just see if I can scale out, make it free, because I have a shitload of contracts. You'll have to do story time sometime. Yeah. Yeah, if this gets clapped again, it'll touch. Yeah, these are up like 26%. So if it flashes, I'll get taken out of the majority of them, and then I'll have a free trade going for the end of the week, which will be nice. I would love that, man. They wanted the secret 1348 formula. They're not getting it. Yeah, now I'm up 2.66% on the day. Nice. You showed us the trade in the Discord. Let me look. I just threw an image of it in there in Market Talk. So let's see what happens. Oh, those are gonna fill, I think. How are those not filling? They're up 28% now. Fill my order, you douchebag. Fill it. There we go. So now it's free. So my order has now been filled. Nice. Cool, dude. Now we just get to sit around and see what happens. You should have sitting on the daily 13. Ah, cool. Yeah, it is what it is. Scaled out, made some money. This is Wall Street, Dr. Burry. If you give us free money, we are going to take it. So now I'm up 2.82%. On December 1st, no winning loser. You will not. So you do not get double charged. So there's no double charging going on with you guys. Let's see here. Yeah, those are still up around 28%. They're free now, though, so I think they're free. They may not be. I may need to ditch another one to make them free. Yeah, I don't think they're free. They're close, but not fully free, which is fine with me. Would you enter Tesla? We got the 5-minute cross below the 200. Do you think it's already made its move? I think it's already made a decent move, Kelly. That was the trade that we were looking at here, like at one. Dude, this was 187.54. And it's at 184.70. Come on, bro. That was probably the trade of the day right there. You're welcome. Does it ever just not fill and shark immediately away for the? Yeah, it can do that. Yeah, Tessie's slipping again. What do you have for an Apple level? It's down below. It's 142.70. So it's got a ways to go to get down there. BlockFi substantial exposure to FTX created a liquidity crisis. First day declaration. Oh boy. But thanks for the info. No problem. You were installing a toilet when we got the move. Not fair. It's all right, Kelly. There will be a lot of these moves. We've been really, really good at getting these reversal moves recently. Like very good. So, and they most of the time are happening on these streams, which is kind of cool. Play 0 day, you'll get those misfills all day long. No, don't play 0 days, dude. Fuck you, Tesla. That would have been such a dirty trade. It's okay. We're still up 2.82% on the day. Don't care. But if I hit it, I would have been up like 5%. Let's see here. Where do we want ADX at when buying calls and puts? Well, we don't have ADX on those charts anymore. I don't believe, or they might still be on the charts, but we've done some different things with ADX. ADX to me personally, I don't use it all that much. It's probably like the last thing that I will check because you could see the trend switch in this move here. The ADX is going to be strong, but it's telling you that the uptrend is strong, not the downtrend. So if ADX was at like 60 here and you see it breaking down, it's going to come down, but this is just losing the uptrend, not gaining the downtrend yet. It might be now, but this is fucking Tesla. All right, man. It is what it is. I'm still printing on those other ones, though. What are these up? Still 28%. They haven't moved yet. Let's see. Lulu did it too, but they wouldn't film me, so you didn't want to chase. That's smart. SPY gonna slip to 397. Well, we have. Well, so it might slip 390. It's right there. It's 397.01 is what it's bouncing off of. What did we say? We break this level. We're looking at 396.50 potentially. So we'll see here. Nice. That should work. Secured 7% on an SPX put. Nice. You won't be charged 96 on December 1st. You shouldn't. If you got charged today, you should be good to go. Winning loser, you should. It's the same thing as you usually do. ADX on Tesla is only 19.5. Yes. So that means that it lost the uptrend. That's what it means. Is S&P back to public afternoons? Yeah, we've got some interesting stuff coming for you guys this week too, but I've been doing these for a while. Let's see here. What do we got? Apple on watch selling. We also have some interesting videos coming out for you guys this week too. So get ready for those. Those are going to be fun. All right, guys. So again, we're actually going to wrap up the afternoon live stream for today. If you are with us with 1348, we are going to be going live, both Gabe and I, in about 5 minutes. And remember, this is the last week to come in to our community and make sure that you're locking in that $49 deal. If you are in before the end of this week, when we launch platform very, very, very soon, I don't know if we can tell you the exact date on it yet, but I do know the date. You will be getting access to the $49 monthly deal. That's not one time, that's forever. So you pay the 96, then you get 49 a month forever. So if you guys do want to hop in there, get Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all the live streams, all the curriculum videos, and the special stuff that we haven't necessarily disclosed to everybody yet, make sure you guys check out that link. Other than that, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the live on the way out. Make sure you're following me on Instagram too, because we're going to have some fun with that. SPY's dipping over here. We're seeing a little bit of craziness. Other than that, team, we made our money today. We're going to come back and do it tomorrow. 1348 gang wins again, as we usually do. Other than that, I'll see all you new people in there. Peace.